Ever opened a dev project and thought, why are there 5 different languages in here? Who invited all these guests to the party? Yeah, same. You start scrolling and it's like HTML's setting up the decorations, CSS is choosing the colors, JavaScript's doing cartwheels in the corner, and Python's over there crunching numbers like a finance bro. Welcome to modern development. It's less of a clean recipe and more like a chaotic kitchen where every chef speaks a different language. Here's the thing. No single language does it all. JavaScript makes your buttons dance, Python powers the backend brains, SQL organizes the data, and Rust or Go makes sure everything runs fast without falling apart. Each language is like a specialist. One's an artist, one's a scientist, one's a librarian. Together, they make the magic happen. Using just one language for everything would be like using a spoon to cut a steak. Technically possible, but you'll look ridiculous trying. Developers mix languages not because we love pain, but because each one brings its own superpower. Think of a big project like a band. HTML is the singer, visible and loud. CSS is the stylist, making everything look good. JavaScript's the drummer, keeping the rhythm, but occasionally breaking things. And the backend? That's your bassist. Not flashy, but holding everything together. When they play in sync, that's when real software happens. So next time you open a repo and see 10 different file extensions, don't panic. You're not looking at chaos, you're looking at collaboration. A system built by languages that learned how to play nice together. Because in coding, just like life, it's not about speaking one language fluently. It's about getting everyone to understand each other. So, tell me in the comments, what's your go-to language combo? And if you've ever tried to build an entire app in just one, let me know how that therapy's going.